Hello, my name is Valentina Pomares Balmaceda, and now I'm going to present to you the evidence of the video I was supposed to do. Role of technology in your work context. Thanks to, thanks to the technology, the work I do is way easier because a lot of it tends to be in digital programs, be the animations itself or the editing of the final project, the photography, the sound, and the special effects. All these aspects are done with the help of technology. In the past, animation used to be handmade in a lot of aspects. The drawing of the characters, the background, and their movements. With time, new technologies have been created to help ease the work of the animators and to create more fluent movements with more realistic results. Advantages and disadvantages of using technology. When talking, when talking about the advantages of using technology, there are many to mention. The evolution of technology has proven to be of great help to human knowledge. Thanks to this, the work of an animator is way easier than it used to be in the past. There are new algorithms to help animate natural phenomena like the sea, or to animate the movement of hair, for example, and make it more fluid. Also, thanks to these advances, new styles of animation have been born, like the style of Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse. One thing that characterizes the movie is how they combine 2D and 3D animation to give new sensations to the movements of the characters, and how expressive and dynamic they end up being. And thanks to that, more movies have been implemented that into their own styles. But just like everything, the use of technology has its disadvantages, one of them being the misuse of AI, which is the more current example. Lately, we have been able to see this in how some companies prefer to make art using AI, which leads to not only bad quality, but also means that many people will lose their jobs because these companies believe that this is just a cheaper way to do things. Conclusion. In conclusion, I believe that the use of technology is good for the animation industry. It helps a lot with how things are done, and that makes the people working on animated projects more creative and more inspired by them. But it is also important to remember that these evolving technologies in a few years are going to make the animation industry change, and not for the better. Because of this evolution of AI and how people use it to make work easier and cheaper. With time, people are going to lose their jobs and the quality of audiovisual projects can diminish. By that time, I'm afraid we won't have realized. But not everything needs to be seen in a bad light. The use of these technologies depends a lot of the intentions behind them. We can just say that all new technologies that are created have been bad, because after all, if it wasn't for them, the animation industry wouldn't have evolved as much as it has. Thanks for your attention.